What is up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you. Hi, it's good to see you. It may have been a little bit, depending on when you're watching this. But hey, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Got an unboxing. What do we got? Boom! Backstory. Before we get into this, went to Blade Show West in October. Got a few knives. Met a bunch of great people. This knife really caught my eye. Didn't pick it up at the show because by the time I came around and got to seeing it, I already had blown all my money on different knives and stuff. So I've been watching it, and I finally picked it up, and it finally came in today. So thought I'd burp. No, okay. Move on. Mr. Designs, right? Nice small packaging, simple. Which one do we got? Which one? Oh, it's upside down. Phantom Bead Blast, right? Okay, so Mr. Design Phantom. All right, let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Got a sticker. I gotta find my stickers. I don't have my sticker in the corner. I moved rooms, so all my stuff's like, my studio has been a little mess. I switched rooms and everything's been disassembled for a very long time, and I've finally got around to putting things together. But some of it's upstairs and some of it's in this room. And enough about that. Get this up. Get that little tag out of there. Ugh. Oh, just a wee little guy, but simple and shiny, and yeah. So what do we got? The Mr. Designs Phantom. We got titanium. Yeah, we got the green, like a kind of a dark green, and it has thumb stud as well as back spacers. Wire pocket clip. Let's take a look at this blade because this is where it's at. You ready? You ready? Oh, that's gnarly. That's gnarly. Oh, look at that. Look at that Warren Cliff. B-Blast blade, hollow ground. This thing is, I don't know. Oh, this thing is so thin. Oh, I don't have anything to cut. Oh! Okay, well, I'll eventually get my shit together here. So we got the liner lock. You get the thumb stud action. Action's great. Boom! Just jets out there. We got this flipper, almost like a lighter flipper on top. Oof, that works great too. Yeah. Your first look. Okay, yes. You got to work for it a little bit. Hold on. What's going on? Oh. So it's a little more cut out here. So you got to kind of work for it. Okay. Anyways. Damn, I don't remember the blade steel. Does it say anywhere? I don't know. This is just an unboxing video. It's a great lockup. It's an unboxing video. There will be a review down the road once I get some time to carry it. It's the hardware on this. Let's check that out. All right. Make sure you're using decent bits when assembling, disassembling a knife. I don't even know which one I grabbed. T8. So this is a T8 pocket clip, T8 on the body, and T8 on the pivot. T8's all around. That's amazing. Love that. Length. Like, man, I gotta figure out my lighting here in this different room. Front, I just kind of want to throw it up against the Sage 6 titanium. So that's about the length we're looking at. Sage 6. Seven inches. Like right on the nuts. Blade. Just under 3 1/4. You're looking at just about 2.75 inches cutting edge. A little bit choke up room on the choil, but you got, and I got a large glove size hand. I can get full 4-finger grip on this thing. You can choke up a little bit. No jimping anywhere but the flipper, and also on the liner. It's got some jimps on it. It's a very clean, nice looking knife. I really like this one. I don't have a flashlight. I don't got nothing in here. I don't know. It's just an unboxing. Once I know more, I will. It looks like bearings. Yeah, bearings. Close on my draw. So, anyways, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Huh? 7-minute video. Yep, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Short, sweet, to the point. Got to figure out this lighting in this new room, but hey, I'm back, and see you in the next one. All right, you all have a great rest of your day.